In my culinary philosophy, it's using high-quality products and follow up the season. I believe in letting the natural flavors shine while using classic technique mixed also with some innovation. I'm Federico Pucci, the chef of Don Alfonso 1890 at Palazzo Versace, Macau. Caciucco is a typical soup from Tuscany region. Traditionally, caciucco includes 20 different kinds of fish. We prepare 3 different kinds of base. One of the first steps is to clean all the rockfish. After that, we use the head and the bone to prepare the sauce. Another one is water extract from clams. And the third one is a kind of bisque with prawn and scampi. This dish we use paccheri. Paccheri is a shape of pasta typical from Campania region. I love paccheri because they have this kind of unique shape and they always have this texture al dente. What I most want diners experience on this dish is the flavors of Italy. In this dish you can feel all the flavor of the sea. You can feel like you are in a port and the fishing man just arrived. Because one of the main points of this dish is a soup created from some fishermen. I feel very attached to this dish because it's something we create here for this restaurant in Macau and slowly evolve. Best part of my job is to see people happy